So regarding this hen and food, that chapter you can directly skip up. Now is the time where you should be focusing more on topics which are which are very genuinely important. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like so, hen and food. Skip that chapter. You can if you have time, you can still read something. But otherwise, like you don't have to read anything. उसमें आपको क्या क्या थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है. Even ortho people also will be telling you this I think. Like Dupuytren's contracture वगैरह dose, जो डिपोमिटी वगैरह होता है या पैरोनेकिया और फेलोन्स, ये सब like those which is usually is a I mean like that ortho वाला topic. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Regarding this, जैसे Raynaud's disease, Raynaud's phenomenon, then ये इसके बाद Raynaud's syndrome वगैरह, those things आपको थोड़ा सा वो arterial disease and peripheral vascular disease का line पे आपको read करना है. You have to read on that. हाँ.
Okay, sir.
हाँ. And then ये regarding that arterial and venous disease वगैरह, mostly is a peripheral arterial disease we are targeting, that TOA, that okay. And other than that, like claudication, then limb ischemia vagera, that classification, then that claudication, that short note also can come, then peripheral limb ischemia can come as a short. We will be arranging a patient, not exactly a patient, but we'll be mimicking a patient, such जैसे thyroid swelling हो गया, breast swelling हो गया, that sort of, okay. So what we are planning is we will be planning around 10 to 15 long cases and 10 to 12 short cases for a practical thing. And I hope ki like instrument x-rays and specimen will be done in only one classes, it will be okay I think. Since we have a very short period of time, we are trying to do x-ray, specimen and instrument in just one go, in one classes. I mean say suppose 2 hours classes. I think 2 hours is enough. There we can discuss, okay, this is a wet specimen of so and so. This is a wet specimen of an appendectomy. Then what are the instrument used? How do it look like in X-ray? How do we go for investigation? इस तरह से. So that covers the X-ray, instrument, and operative procedure. Operative procedure, okay, if you say like say it can be done in another classes, then that also we can arrange. Okay. What we are concerned is the long question, long cases and short cases, and more concern will be on the long cases. You will not get a classical features of a CA breast or a thyroid carcinoma, but we will try to set up a patient, or we'll try to mimic a patient that will be presenting that way. Okay. So that is the idea, because we don't have an option now. हम लोग के पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. We cannot come close to a area where like okay, you come for a clinical posting and then we will demonstrate you. That may not be possible. So keep reading, because like today is October, so November, once you come back, side after your quarantine and all, like November last week or December, we might be having some pre-university test exam वगैरह होगा. Okay. So and then one more thing is like regarding that assignments whichever you have wrote, you have to bring back all those assignments hard copy. So I hope everybody is there, everybody is listening.
Yes, sir.
So James will do that one thing, okay? And that hard copy, please pass the message to everybody who has not come for a classes today. Just tell them to prepare a hard copy, staple it down, and then you have to submit it to me. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
like all the consultant will be having a tough time evaluating that thing. And another thing is like we have to again arrange an online classes and online practical classes for you. From your side, if there is anything, sir, it will be better that way. If you have any solution or some sort of a better idea, you can always share with me. So we'll do that one thing. So try to when you are at home now, try to arrange yourself, try to arrange your topics Especially those major subject wala medicine surgery ho, try to arrange whichever is not important and whichever is important. Try to segregate all those important topics and chapters. And from the general surgery point of view, I hope ki like that lymphatic disease will not come much. Lymphatic disease, that chapter, that I hope you can skip. And then hand and foot disease also I hope you can skip. Okay. And regarding that peripheral this one, arterial and venous disease, we are focused more on arterial diseases like peripheral arterial disease, then it's covered ischemia, claudication, all those things wala. And then venous mein we are concerned more of a venous ulcer than the varicose vein. Okay. Those things. Regarding skin grafting and pleb, so उसमें we skin grafting, that those types will be just asking. We are not concerned कि okay, we are not concerned कि how many types है, but they will be there. There can be a short note कि okay, skin grafting, and there will be a separate short note कि हाँ skin grafting, and another one will be a skin. If it is a question, if comes, it will be a pleb. Types of pleb they may ask you, or they may ask you the skin graft, just a short note. Okay, and as such a contracture they may not ask you. So those things you can that way you can skip out. So somebody,
Hello, sir.
Ankit, tell me.
Oh, sir, Sir Siva, sir, is there any chance for any clinical classes?
Clinical
The work,
in clinical classes, Ankit, actually we are not. I'm not so sure because see the things. Situation in Nigrims is actually this is we are running actually we are running very critically. I mean, like we are shortage of so many things, and even if we have a suppose clinical classes, we don't have you don't expect so much of a patient. We don't have a patient now. For example, say suppose like today, say suppose you have a clinical posting at surgery or medicine or pedia or gynae, you may not be having any patients if this situation continues. Okay. Only thing we might try to, tell me.
no, sir, like some of the groups, like they haven't had this posting, like any surgery and medicine. Some don't have that gynae. Some doesn't have like any posting till now for this year. So, sir, then how can they?
That is what I'm saying. Ki, last time we had a meeting. What we were discussing is ki, like if even if the situation is normal and if this like say suppose if a situation is okay for us. Say suppose you come back, and then when you come back, when you return back, you will be first tested, then you will be quarantined, then you will be released out. You will be in hostel. But it will not be normal for the hospital staff or hospital patient ke liye. So we may not get a patient. So what we are planning is, what every department they will be planning is, they might take up 10 to 15 long cases wala cases topics. And that way we might mimic say suppose we will ask the any Kong or any Ba to just mimic a case. So that way we might be able to discuss the way we are discussing right now. That is what I am telling. That,
So, but what about during the exam? Like how are we going to?
yes. Regarding the exam, it will be same as it is what we are talking now. Say I'll be like a external examiner. Okay. Now you can see me, right?
Yes.
You can see me, and then there will be a larger picture where there will be a patient also, and there will be a coach also. Coach where the patient can lie down, where the patient can be examined. So what I mean to say is, if the classes can be held on online basis, so your exam also will be held online. See, this time like the supplementary batch we had an online examination. I hope you are aware of that, right?
Yes.
One more thing is even the MDMS, the postgraduate like PG exam is now being held as an online examination. So if this situation continues, we might be having online exam. No, okay, Ankit, you are okay with that?
Yes, sir.
So you can ask any clarification seriously, may Boran, because see you also I understand. See, that is why I like we have stopped giving the assignments, because like you you might be so much worried about how to come back. Okay, like even if you come back, so what will happen? You will be tested, and then once if you get tested, if you are positive, then what will do? Because the time is same for everybody. है कि नहीं? Some people will be there who will be tested positive, and then they will be sent to a quarantine isolation ward वगैरह admit होगा. Some people will be there like those who are मतलब high risk. Some people will be there who are asymptomatic. They are very low risk. They will once the result comes out, they will directly go into the hostel, and then they will continue to read, or they will continue to do their normal activity. But the question is like when when the authority we cannot say कि like you are positive, you will be okay, or we cannot decide कि okay नहीं like let's do one let's fix only one rule कि like ऐसे होना है. We cannot do that because that rule has to be flexible. Now say suppose 50 of you are there and then 50 comes back. Who knows? Say suppose 45 is okay, and then from 45, 55 turns out to be positive. So that positive, like we'll be admitting in isolation ward. Now in that remaining 45, some are high risk. So that 10 or 15 people, they will be in the nursing hostel quarantine. So in that cases, like those who are free, they will be bored. They will be thinking ki why our classes has not been done. On the other hand, the people who are in the level B or in isolation ward, they will be thinking ki like at least the authorities should wait for us to come out from the ward, and then we can do a classes. Okay. So only the solution we have is like online classes will be I think the most feasible one. Another thing is regarding that the way you ask what will be the mode of examination, especially in the university exam. So even university examination might turn into an online. That may be possible because even external, not only even external or internal, they may have a problem in going here and there. Okay. So that hard copy wala, that whatever hard copy you had, whatever we have given as assignment, try to arrange in the orderly, and then try to bring that hard copy with you. Okay. You can start. Yes. You can start doing this way also. Since before you come here, some of your friends are already here in the hostel, right? You can parcel them also. I feel before you, because it will be too heavy to carry back. There are so many assignments, right?
Yes.
So you can do that also. You can start posting. You can send it to a normal postal services. So that like you have a very less amount of luggages when you come back. Okay, the mode of examination, till now you just keep in your mind that the mode of examination will be most probably a online examination, most probably. Because the way we are having a situation in Nigrims is actually, it's like, it's really scary actually.
So most probably when will it be, the exam?
The exam will be on time. I'll tell you, this is October, November, and by the end of November last week or the first week of December or second week of December, you will be having a free university exam. So that's for sure. I feel because.
So what about a university?
So that's what everything will be on time. Whatever exam you used to have on time, that will be there until unless there is any further notice. Because everybody is realizing that like this virus has to be lived along with it. You cannot run away from that, and it's not going to finish up in only 1, 2 or 3 months or 1 year. 1, 2 years, we have to live like just a normal cough and cold type ka. And you cannot keep on postponing your exam till 1, 2 years, 3 years. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं.
Can we postpone it for 2-3 months?
We cannot do that. That's what I'm saying. What is the need for doing that? What guarantee would you give? Okay, after 3 months there will be no virus.
No, sir. It's not about the virus, sir. Because like many of the students were like outside the hostel, so they need time for preparation of the exam. So
what were you doing? Tell me, Ankit. The the
No,
whole.
sir, it's not Niket, sir. It's me, Siva, sir.
Huh?
Siva, sir.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. See, that's what Shiva, na?
Yes, sir.
And that's what I'm saying. Like, see, all the time we have been taking an assignment, keeping an assignment, trying to keep you in a busy. So what is that role for? I hope you had enough vacation and enough time to read at home. And
No,
then you
but,
see,
sir,
hmm.
sir, actually, but, I'm staying in hostel, but sir, I'm thinking about those people outside because
You don't
they
have to
don't
think.
carry
See,
all.
you don't have to think about all those bala because there will be some people who will be keep on saying, ki, okay, sir, I need this time. Even after 3-4 months, say suppose say suppose if we postpone the exam for 3-4 months, okay, and then on that day, say suppose on the third month I become ill or somebody has got positive and somebody is positive and he went for isolation ward, he cannot appear for exam. Now tell me that how do we do that? Say suppose 15 of your batchmates is positive on the third month of extended exam. Now again you will postpone the exam. Nah, this is not going to happen. That is what I am saying. It's not going to happen. Now that is what I am telling ki everybody has now realized ki like we have to live with this virus. And whatever time, don't expect the exam to be get postponed. Prepare yourself, it will be on time. That is what I'm telling you ki like see we have to live with this virus. You cannot keep on postponing वगैरह and you cannot give an excuse ki you are not being prepared. And seriously
Yes, sir.
nobody cares also ki like whether you are prepared or not prepared. Well, now especially you are in hostel, you are supposed to get bored, you are supposed to miss home, you are supposed to have a homesick, and they are at home and they don't read, they don't prepare. That is a nonsense. Okay, है कि नहीं? Now what else you need a best environment for this type of situation is home. Now even at home you are not reading, that means you must be roaming around here and there. ऐसा होगा. Even in the pandemic, if you cannot isolate yourself, if you cannot stay at home and do something that is useful, at least a reading, so that is a waste actually. So for a waste people, why would you waste our time? For me, to be very personally, I do hope ki like this situation ends well, and I do hope ki like let there be a timely exam वगैरह. I don't have a point to postpone the exam. I really don't understand this, and I don't think ki even the higher authorities they are thinking of postponing the exam. Definitely, they are not going to do that. And they are much more senior and they are much more learned, they are much more experienced than any one of you and me. So they will, I think they must have understood ki yes, now I think that is end of matlab it's not going to an end, and these are just a flu like we have to, because if you are unlucky you will die off, if you are lucky you have to survive. That's it. ऐसा होगा लगता है. That is matlab I feel ki like everybody understands ki like I think we have to live with this virus, even if you like how much denial you make it. So that is the question. So you cannot keep on postponing. Just think now, like on the say suppose you have requested for okay 6 month extension. Now 6 months is extended. Suppose 5th month may suppose 10 of you or 15 of you become positive. So should we extend the exam again? Nahi na. Now even if you extend another 2 months, in that again that the final, say suppose like you are about to appear online examination, and on that day another matlab 5 or 10 becomes positive, how will you keep on postponing? Now that attitude, that behavioral change we have to make ourselves. That is the only way to prevent this virus. Otherwise मेरा ख्याल से I think there is, you cannot keep on postponing. It's not about preparation. It's about like how long will you keep on postponing? Yeah. And don't worry regarding preparation. Even if I give you 10 years, you will not be able to complete even a surgery. Seriously, my problem, because our human mind is like that. We keep on thinking, there is a time. We don't usually read actually. You just think I have done, like you, I have done MBBS. Now I have done MS surgery, then SRC 3 years. Now AP for assistant professor for 2 years. Now tell me, how many? Do you think like I'll be knowing every corner, every bit of a surgery? Nahi bhai. There are so many things to keep on learning. and nobody is 100% prepared. And to give time for preparation and then appear exam, this is actually not a matter to be concerned. Actually, that depends on individual. Okay, Siva. Okay. Anything you want? Ankit has had something like we will not be having any clinical classes when we are return. Okay, Siva. Then anything that these 2-3 chapters I think you can skip. Okay, and I hope कि from next week onwards till you come back we will be continuing with this online classes, and next time onwards I'll try to bring some patient and then we'll discuss on a long cases wise. Okay.
Yes.
James, tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I hope all the theory papers have been covered. I think there is nothing much left because I asked Dr. Hajong, Dr. Anki, Dr. Arup, and Dr. Don Kupar and Datia Madam. I think everybody has finished their own part, na?
Yes, sir. Sir, we'll inform you, sir, after we check, sir.
And then check and then inform, and then if you are in a hostel, you can start. Those who are in a hostel, they can start giving their assignments. Okay, hard copy.
Okay, sir. From when, sir? Like when? What date?
You can start giving from tomorrow onwards. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So and then like pass the message to everyone कि like they should bring the hard copy when they come back.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है. Then we'll wind up, then.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I really don't have any topic to discuss because like all the topic has been covered, and then like even the assignments we have to check now. The only worried about now what I'm worried about is your clinical classes, specimen, X-ray, instrument, and operative procedure. Okay.
Yes.
चलो ठीक है.